Hello guys, welcome to this new video of my AI video series. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to recreate a real person using AI. That means maybe you or maybe one of your friends, you can recreate that particular person, a real person, using AI and create an AI model that looks exactly similarly to that person. First, I need to advise you, please do not misuse these details. Do not use it to harm another person. No, do not recreate a person without getting their permission. In order to do this, you need to find several photos of that particular person. About 4 photos will be sufficient. Have at least one photo covering the entire body, and also other 3 photos should be close photos of the face of that person. Okay, the AI tool that I use for this task is Google Flow. Let me visit Google Flow. Okay, if you don't have an account with Google Flow, you can create an account easily free of charge using your Google account. Let me sign in with my existing Google account. Okay, now you should click on this plus icon, the new project icon. Guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to upload several photos of a person that I found on the internet. And also, uh, I'm going to use a prompt, text written prompt. This prompt, I will upload a copy of this prompt in the video description. I will post a link on video description to download this prompt. You can use this prompt directly without changing anything. I use this text prompt to generate a photo that includes a photo grid of this particular AI model. Uh, in this grid, there will be photos of that particular model covering various angles. So you can use that photo in another AI tool to generate photos. For this, first click on this plus icon and then click on upload media and browse to the location where you have saved your photos and click open. You can see the 5 photos have uploaded, and in here I have used 5 photos, but you can use 4 photos. It will be sufficient. In the meantime, I need to add these 5 photos into my prompt. For that, just click in here and add prompt, and you can select all these 5 photos into your prompt. Okay, now I need to copy my prompt into this place. Let me go to the prompt. I will select all and copy it, and in here I will paste my prompt. Then you can click on this arrow icon. It will take some time to generate the photo. Now you can see the photo is generated. You can click here to view the photo. You can upscale this photo and download it. For that you need to click this button, download, and then select upscaled 2K. Then it will be upscaled and downloaded automatically. Let me open the photo for you. And this is how it looks like. You can use this photo, or if you're not happy with this photo, you can regenerate. And let me show you how to do it. Go back. You can move your cursor in here, and then you click on this reuse prompt. You can click in here to regenerate your photo. Now you can see the second photo is generated. Let me download this photo. Just click in here and click download 2K. Now you can see now you can view this photo. As you can see, this is much better than the previous one. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to use this particular photo as the reference to generate photos of this particular AI model. Okay, for that I'm going to use another AI tool. Of course I can use Google Flow, but I think the AI tool that I'm going to use next is much better for this task than Google Flow. The AI tool I'm going to use is Grok. Uh, with Grok, you have this paid version called Super Grok. You can use this Super Grok to generate much quality photos of this particular AI model. Or else there are free AI tools available, such as Leonardo AI, which gives you some free credits every day. You can use that to generate photos of this particular model. You don't need to buy Super Grok if you have a limited budget. But I suggest, if you have some funds available, please go for Grok, Super Grok, because it's much better than the other AI tools available for this particular task. Okay, guys, let's create some photos of this AI model. Let me go to my Grok account. Once you create your Grok account, you can log into your account, and you can move to this imaging. This is where you're going to create your photos. And you in order to create photos, in here you should select image, and then click on this plus icon. Then I'm going to upload the photo that I downloaded. Is now I'm going to select it and click open. uh, while it is being uploaded, I'm going to type a prompt. Let's say model photo. uh, Coach in Pro. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's create some photos. You can uh, choose the aspect ratio. I'm going to choose like 3:2. Okay. Click on this up arrow button to start generating. Okay. Now you can see a nice photo is generated. Uh, you can use this text prompt similarly to generate various kinds of photos of this particular model. With this AI model, with image that we created in using Google Flow, now you can you have full control over this AI model. You can generate photos of this particular model as per your aspirations, as per your requirement, with various poses, with various dresses, and with various facial expressions, and you have full control over this model. Guys, if you have any questions, please comment on this video, and I hope this video was useful. And if you think it is useful, please give a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to post more useful videos in near future. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.